Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences.
In this video, you will learn how to set up the AILKIN Wi-Fi repeater manually using a web browser. This complete step-by-step tutorial explains how to connect to the repeater network, open the setup page, select your router Wi-Fi, and finish the configuration easily. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak, this setup will help extend your wireless network coverage. Basically, the AILKIN Wi-Fi repeater is a device used to extend the range of your existing Wi-Fi network. It receives the signal from your router and rebroadcasts it to area. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, insert the AILKIN Wi-Fi repeater into a wall power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Turn the power on. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for the device to boot up. You will see the power LED light become stable, which means the repeater is ready for configuration. Open Wi-Fi settings on your device. Look for the repeater's default network name. The Wi-Fi name may look like AILKIN_EXT. Click on that network to connect. Usually no password is required for the first connection. Once connected, your device is now linked directly to the repeater. After connecting, open any web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari. In the address bar, type one of these setup addresses, 192.168.10.1. Press Enter. The repeater login page will appear. You will see a login window. Enter the default login details, username and password, both are admin. Then click Login. You will now enter the repeater control panel. After login, you will see different operation modes. Choose Repeater Mode/Range Extender Mode. This mode allows the repeater to capture your existing Wi-Fi signal and rebroadcast it to extend coverage. Click Next. The repeater will now scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Click Scan. A list of Wi-Fi networks will appear. You will see information like network name, SSID, signal strength, or security type. Select your main Wi-Fi network from the list, find your home Wi-Fi network name. Click Connect or select next to it. Now the repeater will ask for your router Wi-Fi password. Enter the same password used for your main router. Check carefully to avoid typing errors. Click Apply/Save/Connect. The repeater will now copy your router's network settings, configure the extended network. This process takes 30 to 90 seconds. The device may restart automatically. After setup is complete, open Wi-Fi settings again. Look for the new extended network. Example, your Wi-Fi name_EXT or your Wi-Fi name_REP. Connect using the same Wi-Fi password as your router. After successful setup, unplug the repeater. Place it halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Manual setup is now complete. Your Wi-Fi range should be extended.
I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry, contact our technical expert at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such these informative videos.